Hello, namaste, welcome to Bree Tarot. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good. So, if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for supporting me, for liking my content. Thank you so much. Okay, so in the description box I have my Instagram page link, so if you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, guys. So today's speaker card is about yes or no. It's going to be a straightforward thing. Like, I have these many groups, so you can ask any number of questions you like. Okay, so yeah, so let's do this. Okay, so for group number 1, this is the lapis lazuli. So first think of a question that you want an answer, and then just select a pile. So this is for group number 1. This is for group number 2. This is for group number 3. This is for group number 4. This is for group number 5. This is for group number 6. Group number 7. Group number 8. Group number 9. Okay, I'm gonna go with group number 1. Group number 1, if you chose this lapis lazuli, let's see what is the answer is. Is it a yes or a no? Oh, reconsider. So I would say it's a no or a maybe, but I feel like Archangel Michael is with you. Call upon him because he is with you. He will give you the clarity. Okay, so you need to let go of something, I feel like. So maybe you're getting an opportunity. So if you are like asking whether I should take this job, or whether I should propose to someone, or whether I should get into a relationship, whatever it is, Archangel Michael, I have to say Archangel Michael is with you, and he's saying it's time to reconsider about it. Just connect with your intuition, connect with yourself, and ask yourself whether you want it or not. Maybe you just don't want it. Okay, so it's time to reconsider that. So let's see. I'll just pull out a card. So why it's a reconsider, why it's a maybe. Maybe you should do it, maybe you shouldn't, but I feel like it's a no. Okay, you shouldn't, I don't know, I feel like it's a no. Let's see. Yeah, oh, with this 9 of cups, if you take this opportunity, I feel your wishes will not be granted. You will not feel fulfilled. So that's why Archangel Michael is saying it's time to reconsider about it. Maybe it's about a relationship, and Archangel Michael is saying maybe this person will not fulfill your desires. You will regret it. Something like that. Okay, that is what I feel. Okay, so that's for group number 1. Let's move on to group number 2. And group number 1, speak your truth. Don't be afraid to speak your truth. Sometimes we are very afraid to speak your truth. So if someone is like proposing to you, and you know that this person will propose to you, and you're in confusion whether I should say yes or no, it's like your Archangel Michael is saying reconsider and speak your truth. If you don't want to get into this relationship, say no. Sometimes we feel like, oh, if I say no, this person will get hurt, but it's better to say the truth. Yeah, that's for group number 1. For group number 2, if you chose this tiger eye, I feel very anxious energy for you guys. You're very fearful, so don't be fearful, release the fear. Okay, so let's see what is your answer. It's a no. Yeah, okay, it's a no. Look, even though it's a no, your angels are with you. Like, they are telling you this is not your path. That doesn't mean that sun is not gonna shine on you. Yes, maybe this relationship is not for you, maybe this job is not for you, because there is something better for you guys, right? So yeah, maybe you're just saying one, like sometimes our view is very limited, right? So it's like There is so much more. Like, look at the rainbows, look at the sun is gonna shine, the sun is like coming up, right? So yeah, so don't worry. And look, we have this coins here, like golden. So yeah, there is going to be opportunity, but not this one. This is not for you, right? They're saying something, like there is a trumpet, your angels are telling you something. Hear it, meditate and hear that. Okay, so it's a no. Maybe you want to hear no, and that's it. It's a no. So let's see why it's a no for group number 2. Oh, so maybe you want to get into a relationship with an air sign and they are saying it's a no because you will never be fulfilled with this person. Okay, maybe this person is not good for you. Maybe you will not vibe with this person. Maybe this person, you know, Knight of Swords is like very fast moving energy, and they are, if they set something, they just go for that. They don't think too much about other people. So maybe this, if you are asking about a person, so I think like this, your spirit guides are telling this is not the one. Okay, and with this Knight of Swords, I also feel like for some of you, you're in a hurry. You want to achieve that goal, so you want to move fast, and your spirit guides are saying be patient. There is something better coming for you guys. Okay, so that's it for group number 2. Let's see group number 3. What is your answer? If you have chosen Bloodstone. Okay, let's see. Choose a new direction. Okay, so it's time to take a new path. It's time to do something different. So it's a no. What you're asking is no. I feel like they're telling you to take a new path, new direction, because everyone is doing the same thing. You're meant to do something different. You're meant to do something unique, or maybe a different idea. Okay, if you have a problem, maybe you need to take a different idea, something creative. Okay, look, everyone are doing the same thing. You're meant to do something different. Okay, so that is the thing. It's time to take a new path. It's time to choose a new direction for group number 3. Look, we have Bloodstone also. Bloodstone is about creativity, intuition. It's time to trust your intuition. Okay, so let's see why you have that, why you have a no. This thing will manifest for you guys, but all you need to do is to take a different route. That's the thing. Okay, so for right now it's no, but it will become yes if you take a different path, a different approach. Maybe letting go of your limited belief as it is. Yeah, justice. Look, yeah, I got that. Yeah, things will be balanced. You will get what you want, what you deserve. Karma will be balanced. Okay, justice will be served for you guys, but right now you need to take a different approach. Okay, maybe you need to wait for some time. Everything will be all right. Okay, so yeah. Let's see for group number 4. If you chose this card, lenient, be courageous, guys. Okay, be courageous. No, yeah, it's a no. I feel like even though it's a no, you remember you're very courageous people. So why it's a no for group number 5? Sorry, group number 4. Why it's courageous? Sorry, why it's a no for group number 4? Okay, okay, you got 3 cards. Oh my God, like how many? 4. Oh my God, why? You have getting out of your comfort zone. Yeah, that's why it's a no. You need to get out of your comfort zone. Trust your intuition. Okay, there is something is, yeah, look. We have 5 of Pentacles and Death card here. So for some of you with this 5 of Pentacles, if you are asking about a relationship or something, they are saying no. This relationship is not going to serve you, right? Look, this bird has an egg here and this guy is stealing this egg, right? So if you are asking about an opportunity or a relationship, this is not good for you guys, because they will leave you, this thing will leave you in a space that you will not feel good about. That is what I feel like. Maybe this person will be a cheater, or maybe they will leave you alone. So it's like, yeah, that's why it's a no. Yeah, so they're telling you to take your power back and trust your intuition right now. Okay, you're the Queen of Cups here. So trust your intuition, be kind, be compassionate to yourself, practice some self-love. Yeah, this relationship is not for you guys. If you're asking if someone will come back, no, they are not going to come back. Even if they come back, you your relationship will not go the way you want, okay? Because I feel you need to end the situation here. When you let go of this person, that is when you will be able to move forward in your life. So yeah, that's a no here. Okay, if you're waiting for someone, maybe this person is not worth waiting. Or if you're waiting for a job offer, maybe this job offer will take things from you, it will not give you anything in return. So it's time to take your power back and trust your intuition. And be more kind to yourself, okay guys? Sometimes we feel alone. With this Five of Pentacles, sometimes we feel alone, that we sometimes we are in this lack mentality. So you need to get out of it, okay? And embrace this Queen of Cups energy. And like Queen of Cups is very loving, kind. She's very kind to herself. She's kind to other people also. So you need to be more kind to yourself, okay? So it's time for, I feel like for you guys, it's time to take care of yourself, to nurture yourself, and then think about other people. First, do something for yourself, okay? So that's for group number 5. Be courageous, don't lose hope. Let's see for, sorry, it's group number 4. Again, I told you 5. The 5 number is about changes, right? So they are saying like things are changing for you guys. So maybe that's why. I like I said 5 2 times, isn't it? So yeah. Don't lose hope. Have faith, okay? Then now we have number 5, pile number 5. Pile number 5, okay. So we have this rose quartz crystal for group number 5. So let's see what is your answer. Oh my god. Oh, it's a yes. It's a yes. It's a strong yes for you guys. So let's see why it's a yes. Yeah, you're going to balance things very easily, okay? I feel like if you're asking a question like whether I'll be able to balance my spirituality and practicalities, yes. If you are asking like will I be able to balance my hobby and my job, yes. Will I be able to balance my relationship and career, yes. You will be balancing things very easily. Will I be able to balance my own energies? Yes. You are going to balance. You're gonna rock, guys. So let's see what else for, like why it's a yes for my group number 5. Okay. Yeah. 4 of Pentacles. So it's about, because it's a yes. If you're asking about your financial matters or something like that, well, will I be able to make money or something? Yes, you will be able to make money. At the same time, you can be able to rest also. That is what I feel like. Yeah, this person is like resting, right? So that I'm getting that vibe. I'm getting that energy. Like you will be stable, you will be secure. If you're asking about your stability, whether I'll be stable, whether my career will be stable, whether I will whether I'll be able to rest at home, whether I'll be able to make my goals true, whether I will have this much money in my bank account. Yes, you're going to be very, very stable. Stable relationship also, I feel like. Stable relationship, stable career. Okay, good. 5 number 5. Wow. So let's see what is for 6. If you chose this hematite, let's see. Oh, you also have a yes. Yeah, yes. Your angels are like, yes, you can do this. Just focus. That is what I'm getting. Like, just focus. What you want to do, just focus on that. Like, can I lose weight? Yes. If you focus on it, you will be able to lose weight. Can I get good at doing makeup? Yes. If you focus on it, you will. Yeah. So that is what I'm feeling. Like they are like smiling and telling you, yes, you can do it. Let's see what is for group number 5. Sorry, group number 6. What is for group number 6? Why it's a yes for my group number 6. Okay. Look, we have 5 of cups here. And I told you if you focus on these things, you will be able to make it. And with this 5 of cups, you are emotionally feeling very lost. Like you're feeling that I'll not be able to make it. Everything I will have to encounter disappointments, because in the past, every time this has happened, like in the past I have lost relationship. If I wanted to do this, nothing has manifested for me. Like you are in this kind of energy, I feel like, and your angels are saying Don't be in this energy. You can do that. If you focus, if you put your heart into that, you will be able to manifest it. So get out of this 5 of Cups energy, guys, because whatever you're asking, you will. But you need to focus, you need to have faith. And yeah, this person she looks so sad. She's like, oh no, why my life is like this? Why I have to do, why I lose everything? Because this person is not seeing the 2 cups that is behind. Like in the original tarot, 5 of Cups is like that. Like this person is not seeing that there are 2 cups behind her, or yeah, it's a man, right, in 5 of Cups. So yeah, yeah. Wait a second, guys. I'm so sorry for that. Oh, I'm so sorry for that. Okay. So what I was saying, I'm so sorry for distraction. Yeah, I got distracted. I feel you're very distracted. You need to have more focus. That is the thing. Yeah, with this hematite crystal will help you to have that focus. Yeah, you people, I feel you people get disappointed very, very quickly, very easily. Maybe you need to trust yourself more. Maybe you need to have faith. That's why your angels are like smiling and saying that you can do it. Why are you in this energy? Get out of this energy, right? Sometimes we see, sometimes we don't count our blessings, right? We only see what is not there. We only see what is not there in our life. We have to see the blessings also. So yeah, that's the answer for you guys. So you get distracted very quickly, so that they're telling to have that focus. Okay, so let's see for group number 7. What's that? Unlikely. Okay, it's a no. Most probably it's a no. So why it's unlikely for group number 7? Okay, this is for your own benefit, I feel like, because we have Justice card. Yeah, that's what I feel. And I feel like you need to show your emotions, okay? Group number 7. It's time to show your emotion. Be vulnerable. Look at this. She is naked. Sometimes you wear a mask. Sometimes you don't show your emotions. So it's time to show your emotions. It's okay to be vulnerable. That is what I'm getting here. Or if you're asking, oh, whether things will go wrong, if your question is like this, whether things will go wrong, your spirit guides, your angels are like, no, it will not go wrong. Why are you doubting so much? Because everything will be in balance. Justice will be served. Your karma is balanced. Yeah? Yeah, if you're doubting yourself, if you're seeing like, oh, whether I will be able to make it, and you're like, your spirit guides are like, yes, you will be. Unlikely things are going to be wrong. So that can also be the thing, you know. Yeah, I'm feeling that here. So if you're doubting yourself, and if you know that you can make it, and at the same time if you're doubting, your spirit guides, your angels are like, don't doubt yourself. Unlikely things will go wrong. Okay, for some of you it's like, maybe but I'm feeling this energy that unlikely things will go wrong. Everything will be in balance because we got this Justice card here. Okay, so I feel it's a yes. I told you it's a no, but now I feel it's a yes. So maybe for you guys, you will feel like, you know, yeah, I'm getting this vibe where first you will feel like, oh, things will not manifest, things will go wrong, but it will be okay, and it will be okay in the end. Okay, that is what I feel. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, that is what I'm feeling. I'm so sorry for this, because there's a lot of messages and I'm not able to, yeah, when I speak fast, I don't get the words. Okay, so that's why I'm like this. Okay, so yeah, that's what I feel for group number 7. So let's see for group number 8. Aquamarine, what is your answer? Go with the flow, guys, with this aquamarine. Take one step at a time, one day at a time. Okay, only prepare for the next 24 hours. You don't have to prepare for like 72 hours, next 72 hours, or next week. No, just think about the next 24 hours, what you need to do. There's something better. Yeah, look at that. Yes, it's a yes. Something more better. Okay, if you're asking about a job or an opportunity, there is something better coming. If you are looking for a new home, and you're like, if whether I will get this home, you will get something more better than that. Okay, so if you're asking about a job, you will get a more better job. Something better will come. So take one step at a time to your happiness, one day at a time. Like, I'm getting minute by minute for you guys. So yeah, let's see what is this for group number 8. For group number 8. Look, wow, we have the star card. Your wishes are coming true, and you will be so happy because it will be more than you expected. I feel like something better, something more like, you wanted a home, like a 3-bedroom home, and you will get a 4-bedroom or like a, yeah, how do I explain this? Something better, something good, something that will make you happy. Okay, and you will be feeling like a star. You will be feeling so good about yourself. Like, you'll be like, wow. You will be like on cloud 9, something like that. Okay, if it's a relationship, you will get a better relationship, best relationship. So yeah, there is something better coming for you guys. So take one step at a time. Don't worry. Group number 8. And let's see for group number 9. We have Snowflake Obsidian. Okay, psychic. I feel like you have some sort of psychic gifts. Okay, this crystal might help for you guys. Let's see, what is it? Don't stop doing what you're doing. Keep on moving forward. Don't even try to give up. Okay, so that is your answer. Your angels are like, if you are like confused about something, if you're like whether I should continue doing this, your angels are like, don't stop. Okay, just move forward. Like sometimes people, maybe you, yeah, I'm getting like someone said something bad about your work, and you're like, whether I should continue doing this. So maybe you are an artist and you do something, and one person came and said something bad to you, and now you're asking whether I should do this, whether I should make more art. Oh, my parents are saying that I'm just wasting my time, whether I should do this. Like, your angels are like, don't listen to other people, just go for it, don't stop. Okay, I'm feeling this is about your goals. Okay, you have a goal in your mind, it's about that. So move forward with your goals. Yeah, there might be people who might not like your work. You cannot satisfy everyone, remember that. So all you need to satisfy is you. Okay, and there will be people who will support you guys. Okay, so yeah, there will be nasty comments, sometimes I also get. It's okay, that doesn't mean that I have to stop doing. I'll just get better at it. Yeah, so be in that energy, guys. So don't stop, keep on moving forward. Okay, so let's see. It's a yes. So let's see. Oh wow. Okay, we have Knight of Swords. Yeah, move forward. Knight of Swords is a fast moving energy, and they're like, don't stop for anyone. Go, get going, get moving. Why are you thinking? It's time to move forward. It's like, if you're planning travel, just go for it. Do it. Yeah, there will be people telling you it's not safe to travel now, right? So you'll be like, oh, whether should I travel or not? Yes, go for it. So it's not the time to stop, it's time to move forward. Okay, so yeah, that's it guys. Okay, bye, take care guys.